Guys, look at the screen. This is a real Android app running live right here on my computer. And in just 10 minutes, your screen will look exactly like this. But guys, most people fail to reach this screen because they miss just one step during installation. In this video, I'm going to show you
Hey guys,
every
welcome back
step,
to my channel CS
including that
Corner.
one
I'm
step,
Sunita.
so you
In
get
today's
this
video, I'm
result
going to how to
with
install the
zero
latest
error.
create our very first Android project and run it on an emulator. So guys, let's start the video.
Guys, before we start, just two things you need. First, you need your Windows machine with at least 8 GB of RAM. And second, a strong internet connection because we are going to download around 1.3 GB of file. Guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Android Studio download. And here you can see it is showing official website of Android. You need to simply click on this link. So it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see guys, it is showing the official IDE for Android app development. So you need to simply click on this button. Now guys, it will show you license and agreement. Just scroll down, check this checkbox and click on this button. And now guys, here you can see the download has been started. This file is in GB, so it will take time, so please wait for it. So guys, while this is downloading, if this video is helping you, please subscribe to CS Corner right now. Just hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Guys, I create step-by-step tutorial exactly like this for beginners. Your subscription means a lot to me. Okay, now let me just check whether download is done. So here you can see the download is completed, and now to install this we need to simply click on this exe. Guys, it will ask you permission. You need to simply click on yes button, and here on welcome screen you need to click on next button. So guys, this Android virtual device is useful for running your Android app on your computer. If you are not connecting with actual mobile phone, then also you can see your APK or your application running on your computer. So for that we need this. So simply click on this next button, and now here guys, it's showing me the installation location of Android Studio. So in this location it will install. Click on next button, and here click on install button. So guys, you can see the installation has been started and it is done. It's showing installation complete. So Android Studio installation is done. We are going to click on next button, and here it's showing me finish button and start the Android Studio. So we will click on this finish button, and here you can see your Android Studio is started. It's showing me this message. So I'm going to simply click on don't send button. And now here on this screen, you need to simply click on next button. Here it is showing the installation type standard or custom. We are going to select standard installation and simply click on this next button. And here it's showing verify settings. So it is showing some settings, what are the things which will be installed and their size. So we have to simply click on next button. Under license and agreement, we have to select this accept and click on next button. Now it is downloading the component, so it will again take a time, so we will wait for it. So guys, here it has downloaded the component whatever was required. We are going to simply click on finish button. Now here it's showing me welcome to Android Studio, and we have several options available here. We are going to select projects option, and here we are going to select new project. Now in new project it will show you various templates. So we are going to take phone and tablet, and here we will select empty views activity. Now we need to provide certain details for our project. So you need to provide your project name, package name you can provide, or you can keep the default one. I'm just giving package name as com.cs corner. And this is the location where your project will be saved. This is default location. It will go to Android Studio project. And now under language, you can see it's showing us both the language Java and Kotlin. So you can select whatever language you are going to use. So I'm just selecting Kotlin, and here it's showing minimum SDK. So minimum SDK it's showing, you can just drop down here and you can see different APIs are available. You can select if you want to change something else, but this SDK is supporting around 99.2% of device. That means if I create this application, it will run on 99.2% of device. In build configuration language, we don't have to do anything, just simply click on finish button. So guys, now it has started creating project and it will take time. Guys, while it is creating project, do not do anything, let it complete, then you do whatever you want. So here Defender it is showing, you can allow this folders. So now left hand side you can see we have application files projects available. So app folder is there, simply expand this app folder and you can see different files it is showing, right? So I'm just expanding it. Here it's showing me manifest file, Kotlin Java file and resource file. So in manifest file we have Android manifest.xml. This is about your information about your project. So I'm just expanding this Kotlin plus Java. You can see it's showing package name and in that my main activity file is there. So main activity is what your logic, whatever logic you want to write, you need to write inside this. Extension you can see it has given .kt because I selected language as Kotlin. I have another file also, activity underscore main.xml. This is the file which will contain all your UI components things. And here at the top you can see we are having some options. So you can view the code, you can view split the code and design, or you can simply, so here you can simply see the design, or you can view code, or you can split the code and design. Okay, then we have a resources folder. This folder is useful whenever you want to show some images or some music on your Android app, then this folder is useful, right? So here in device manager it is not showing me any device, that is AVD, we need to install that. So add new device option is there, you need to click on this and you can select this option. It will show you so many devices available, you can select any of them. I'm just selecting medium phone and it's showing like what is the width of this phone and all that stuff it is showing. I'm simply clicking on next button. So this is name of your AVD. If you wish to change, you can change it, or you can simply click on this finish button. It will show you this confirmation dialog, just click on it and now you can see the SDK component installer has been started. So it will download SDK and AVD. Guys, here it is showing done and we have finish button. So let's click on this finish button and one more time finish. So you can see my device has been added, but it's showing me one message that window hypervisor is not enabled. So simply click on this enable button and we are getting option that enable and restart and cancel. So we will be selecting enable and restart, so it will restart your system. So do that if your hypervisor is not enabled. If it is not showing this message, then that is okay. So now guys, I have just restarted my PC and here I'm starting Android Studio. So guys, now you can see the Android Studio has been started. It's not showing any problem. Also ABD is created, right? So now let's run this ABD. So running means it is not going to show your actual output on this ABD. If you run your application, then it will show the output. So here I'm just starting this ABD and you can see guys, simply it is showing me hello world because in my program I have hello world. And now here the ABD has been started. Let's run this code on this ABD. So at the top you can see we have a drop down where it is showing different option like where you want to run. So I want to run on mobile phone, so I will be selecting that, and here you need to simply click on this play button. You can see it has started creating APK of your file. So now this APK installation is done successfully. It's showing me output. Yes, this was my code where I am showing hello world. So guys, you can see it. Our app is running. Here it is showing our screen. Our first Android app is live. So guys, this is it. This is exactly what I showed you at the beginning of the video. So guys, I hope by following my video you are able to successfully install Android Studio and you are able to run your first Android app. Guys, if you have any queries, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. Guys, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to hit the like button and share my video with your friend who are learning Android development. Guys, I'm sharing my all social media in description box. You can certainly visit and join that. I'm having another coding channel in Hindi. If you are interested learning coding in Hindi, you can subscribe to that channel. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Guys, in my next video, I will show you how to create complete Android app from scratch. So subscribe now so you don't miss it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.